Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a discount on a subscription. And we're going to show you two different ways how to do this inside of Keap Max Classic. The first way will be how to discount just the first month. Maybe you want the first month to be cheaper than all the other months. And then I'll also show you how to discount the subscription for the life of the subscription. So let's jump into a Keap Max Classic account here. And what we'll do is we'll jump over to products. I'm going to show you a product that I've got set up here. It's a coaching subscription. And we've got this product set up not as a product. It's only set up as a subscription. So the product price is $0. And over here on the subscription plans tab, I've checked the box to designate that this product is only to be sold as a subscription, never as a one-time product. I've got three different subscription options here. Don't worry too much about those. We're going to focus right now on the monthly subscription that never ends. The number of cycles is how long it might go for. So I'm selling it at $197 per month or $1,000 per year, etc. We're going to focus on this $197 per month. So let's just say I want to sell this subscription at $197 per month, but I want to let people try out the first month for only $1. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is set up an order form. So we'll go over here to e-commerce setup and scroll down to order forms. I've already actually got an order form created here called coaching subscription. And by the way, this is really easy. If you came here from scratch, you're going to select a product here. So I'll type in coaching subscription, select the product that I want. It's only sold as a subscription, so my subscription options are here. I'm going to choose the monthly option and hit add. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and if we hit preview, we can see that this order form is set up to be sold, or to sell the coaching subscription at $197 per month. And the first month, the current price that we're going to pay right now as we sign up is $197. So that's our order total for the order right now, and then it will bill $197 per month every month after that. So how do we discount the first month? Well, we need to go over to another area in e-commerce called promotions. So we can get there through e-commerce promotions in the main menu, or since we're already in the e-commerce area, we can click on promotions here. Here we're going to choose the drop down, and we're going to go to an order total discount. See, we don't want to discount the product forever, not yet. We only want to discount this current order. That's the difference here. So we'll call this a coaching discount. I can label it first month $1 if I'd like, just to be clear. Now I'm going to discount the gross on that particular order. I'm going to leave it on amount, and I'm going to discount $196 so that the original price of $197 is discounted to $196. That leaves us with $1. I do want to discount referral partner commissions. I don't want to pay out full commissions on $197 when someone has only paid us $1. Let's go ahead and hit save there. And now I might want to add some criteria as well so that this discount isn't applied in other situations with other products. Definitely recommend doing that. So first thing I'm going to do is filter it down by the subscription itself. So they have to be buying this subscription, and we'll choose the every month option. They've got to have one of those in the cart or in the order form in this case. And then I'm also going to make it only available with a particular promo code, and I want promo code bananas. So we'll save that here. Now we're ready to go. So let's go back to our order form here. So go to e-commerce setup, go to our order forms, find our most recent one, this coaching subscription, and let's go ahead and hit preview now. And we'll see that nothing has changed because I haven't entered in the promo code. Remember, there are two criteria for this discount. One is we have to have the subscription, which we do have, but we also have to have the promo code bananas. So once I enter that in, bananas, and hit apply, now we have a discount. Okay, so we can see here, here's the key part. The subscription itself is not discounted. Okay, that's still going to be $197 per month. But this order, the first invoice being created on the subscription, is discounted by $196. So the order total is only $1, but it's going to continue to bill at $197 per month. That is key here. All right, so that's our first option. Discount the subscription down to $1 on the first month and then have it bill at the normal price going forward. Let's go back and change that so that now we want to look at an option where we want to give a discount on the subscription forever. All right, so let's go back to our promotions, and we're going to find our first month $1 promotion that we just created. We're going to delete that. We don't want that anymore. Now we're going to do a different situation. In this situation, we're going to do a product-specific discount. If we discount the product itself, then the product will be discounted forever. In this case, a subscription will be discounted forever. So again, I'll call it coaching discount. I'll call this one 50% off. Okay, now we're going to find the coaching subscription again. And in this case, maybe I don't want to do an amount. I want to do a percentage. I'm going to say 50%. Again, I do want to discount the referral partner commissions. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then I'm going to add my criteria again. Subscription plan and cart needs to be my coaching subscription. I don't want to offer a 50% discount on everything else, just on that particular subscription. And then I'll add one more criteria. I do want to have the promo code bananas be required in this situation as well. Okay, now that I've got that set up, let's go over to our e-commerce setup again. We'll go to our order forms. We're going to find that order form, open it up, and let's check it out now. We'll preview here. Again, nothing has changed because we don't have all the criteria present. I'm going to go ahead and enter bananas as the promo code. And now you'll see a difference. The actual subscription up here is discounted by 50%. The order, this current order, as I check out right now, is also discounted by 50%. But every month going forward in the future is also going to be discounted by 50%. And so the customer will only pay $98.50 each month going forward. So that is two different ways to set up discounts on your subscriptions. One situation where we're wanting to discount just the first month, another situation where we're wanting to discount forever. Hopefully that helps you with some clarity around discounting subscriptions. For more tips and tutorials on Keap, subscribe here to our YouTube channel and join us at boxoutmarketing.com for more information on how we can help you with your Keap account.